Oh, hello. Hey guys, how are you doing? You hear me? Yes, sir. Do you hear me?
I I can hear you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's up, brother? Okay.
Good, good, good.
Hello, salam. I
Facebook
think it's working.
light funnels.
Can you hear us, guys? Abu Hamid, I can see you here. Hello, hello. Yes.
We already got
Okay. So,
50. We already got 50 attendees. That's big.
hey,
That's awesome, man. Didn't
مساء
expect
الفل
that.
عليكم يا حبايب القلب. How are you doing, guys? I hope you're doing great tonight. We have like a big, exciting reveal for something we've been working on for the past 3 months since Christmas. And we're here like to demonstrate and show you stuff that none of the other platforms have. Let's say this something that is going to help you big time setting internationally. We have big partnerships as well that will help you both in the COD domain and the dropshipping domain. We have like big stuff that is going to happen tonight. So yeah, we're so excited like to start and start showing you what we've been hiding for the past months. Mohsen, what's up, brother? Sulaiman, Khalid, Ayub, Munir, Ahmad. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Share, my brother, share.
Yep. Let me get those slides up.
Let's get those slides. Okie dokie.
There we go. So the power of light. This is essentially the Light Funnels Q1 update. This is what we're going to be releasing by the end of Q1. A lot of stuff that we're going to share today is already done. It's not available yet, but it should be available in the upcoming weeks, 1 to 2 weeks
Upcoming, some
ahead.
of them upcoming days, honestly. Like they're
Yeah.
already working.
So yeah. To get started, the first thing that we're adding is we're adding this new way of sharing news with you, because we push a lot of updates um, every week, and we tell you about them in the group. We send emails, but some of you are just using the app and they don't really check those channels emails, or they're not maybe in the group. So whenever you log to Light Funnels now you're going to see a new model that is going to show you something that that we have released when you were not connected. So something that has just been released. All right. So that's our first little update. So let's move forward. So now we're going to talk about two really essential updates that were really highly requested,
Highly
uh,
recommend.
highly requested and anticipated. The first one is multiple currencies.
Wow.
Uh,
Guys,
wow.
especially like the COD people, this is a game changer because with this feature, you can like stay with one account and choose a currency per funnel. So every funnel can be a different currency, and this is something that has been requested a lot. I know that a lot of platforms or none of the platforms have this. So this could be a game changer because I know a lot of you creates a lot of accounts and then they pay per account, which is a really pain in the ass. So this way you can stay in one account, and for example, if you're selling in Saudi Arabia or Kuwait, Emirates, you can stay with that account. And yes, sir, you want to demonstrate this how it works? This is like really beautiful.
But you can go ahead, Yusuf, because this one I was not up to date with the team for the currency update.
Okay,
You
let
can
me
share
share
your
my
screen.
screen.
So
Hopefully, I can
this
share.
is not only important in COD, also in dropshipping, or if you're doing e-commerce in general.
Yeah, do you see
Uh,
my screen?
yep.
Okay, let me just show you how this works. Now, if you go to the funnels, for example, let's say this one we are selling in Saudi Arabia. So we go to settings, we go to funnel currency, and we do Saudi Riyal, um, Saudi Riyal, and let's save. Let's publish. I don't know if this one has a product. This one, I don't know. This is a bad funnel.
So yeah, so essentially what's going to happen is that the
Yeah,
funnel
this
you are
funnel doesn't
using.
work. I'm using this one. Actually, this could work. Let me change this one. Okay, it's Chinese yuan. Let's do Belize. No, let's do something. Let's go for Saudi Riyal. Let's save and let's preview. You're gonna see the funnel now uses the Saudi Riyal, while the account itself, it is where should it be? Like in the payment gateways, I think. The currency of the account is United States dollar. So now you can choose your currency pair funnel and do whatever you want. So let's say you want to do this one with Emirati or Euro. You can preview and you can see that it is using euros.
So
This
the
is
difference
like
here between the currency converter that we already had is that your funnel is actually going to charge users or customers using the currency that you have chosen for that funnel. It's not going to, for example, if you have USD but you're selling in Europe, previously you had to still charge European customers with USD, although you are showing them euro because you are using the currency converter on the front end. Now your Stripe account will be charging your euro customers using the euro currency. Actually, it's not just converting on the front end, but also on the back end where the transaction is made in different currencies for different funnels, wherever you set those currencies.
Okay, yes, sir. I'm gonna take. Excuse me, guys, for those who don't speak Arabic, but I'm gonna like be so quick because we have like a lot of people who speak Arabic don't know English or don't understand English. So شباب حبايبي الابديت هذا بيحكي انه تقدروا تبيعوا multiple multiple currencies. يعني بالقبل لما بدكم تبيعوا في two countries مثلا سعودية او الامارات كنتوا لازم تغيروا الكرنسي تبعت الاكونت كله. هلا مع هذا الابديت تقدروا تختاروا الكرنسي للفانل تبعكم، فراح يكون الاشي كتير ممتاز لكم لانه مش لازم تسووا create a new account لا تبيعوا في دولة تانية، او مش لازم تستخدموا الورك اراوند اللي كنا نسويها انه تختاروا الستاتيك برايس على البرودكت بيج. فهذا الشيء راح يكون ممتاز لكم. بعرف انه ولا بلاتفورم تاني offers this من البلاتفورمز اللي بعرفها، فراح يكون جيم تشينجر لكم ان شاء الله. كل فيتشر راح احكي عنه بالعربي كمان. So back. I think we're done with the multiple currencies.
Yeah, so no more creating multiple accounts just for charging customers with different currencies. You can do everything in one account, which is going to be less costly for you. You don't have to pay for separate accounts.
Yep.
All right. So let's get back to the presentation. And
Okay, let me stop sharing my screen. Which one is my screen? Okay, you stopped it.
Yeah,
it is recorded, guys. It is recorded.
The second feature that was very highly requested, and it's an essential feature actually, is what we call smart sections.
Yep.
What a smart section is, when you are building a page on the page builder, sometimes there are some sections that you want to have on multiple pages at the same time, but you want the content of the sections to be the same. For example, you have a navigation bar with links. That navigation bar, currently, before smart sections, you would have to edit the navigation bar and copy it over to all the pages. And whenever you do some edit, you would have to edit all the copies of that section. With smart sections, you just put the smart section on one page, and then you edit it. And when you use it on other pages, it always keeps its content updated. Whenever you update the section, it's going to be updated on all the pages that have the same instance of that smart section. So yeah, let's go ahead and demonstrate this really quick. You want to demonstrate, Yusuf, or you already shared?
No, you can do it.
Sure.
I'll translate to Arabic meanwhile. الابديت هذا بخليكم انه تسيفوا مره. يعني زمان كنا نسوي البان الهيدر الناف بار كنا نغيره في كل البيجز اللي عندنا. هلا مع الابديت هذا شوفوا كيف راح تسووه مره واحده على بيج واحده وراح يطبق على كل البيجز التانيين. فهذا الشيء راح يريحكم انكم تسووا الدبل شغل اللي كنتوا تسووه من قبل.
Yeah, so let's find a page in here. For example, let's say, okay, detach. So let's say we have this section right here. So this is a navigation bar that typically you would want to have the same navigation bar on every page. So what you want to do is just save it in here and say, for example, live demo. Live demo. It's called live demo. Okay. So now it turns purple. It means that it's a smart section. Okay. So whenever you want to use this same smart section on the same funnel, you would go to sections and you would scroll all the way down to smart components here, and you would drag your newly created section like this. Okay. So now whenever you edit your section, you can see that the section is being updated. This like it's literally an exact copy whenever you update it. Now, whenever you go to another page, for example, this one, let me delete this, and you would want to go to the same place. So smart sections, smart components, and you would drag that section. Okay. So if you edit this section here, this section will be updated on all the pages that have that smart section instance like this. All right. So that's smart sections. It's going to save you a whole lot of time, and it's going to remove all the tedious work of managing sections and keeping them updated throughout every page of every funnel.
Especially with a nav bar and a header and footer.
Yes.
You can have it on so many other sections, but this is like mainly for the header and footer because you used to edit in each one of the pages. Yeah. So this is like a game changer because this was requested so much by the users because if you had a 10 pages funnel or 12 pages funnel, you had to change it on every one of those pages. فهلا شباب تقدروا تغيروا الهيدر او الفوتر مره واحده وراح يطبق على كل البيجز, which is great لكم.
All right, so let's move to the next section of the presentation. So next, we've been focusing this year a lot on key partnerships for e-commerce. So we want you to be able to grow your business on light funnels using trusted companies that will help you with fulfillment of the products, with everything backend related for your e-commerce business. So our first partnership is with Mutual Dropship. For this, I'm going to see we have.
Guys, I need you to stay to the end. Sorry, Yasser. I want you to stay to the end because we haven't like finished. Like there's a lot.
The best part is in the end. Actually, if you go now, you're gonna miss out.
Yeah. شباب ما خليكم للاخر لانه في الاخر في مفاجآت كبيره راح تكون. One of the biggest اللي بيشتغل دروب شيبينج هذا الشيء راح يفيده كتير. هلا راح نجيب معنا احمد. Guys, whoever is in drop shipping, this is like a game changer. We have a mutual dropship founder here, Ahmad the Beast, I call him. He lives in China. He has a big team of great people. I've been using them personally for my business for the past 2 months because, I don't like to put anything before I test it myself because we're putting like a lot of credibility in the platform and I don't want anything like to mess with the platform. So I'll let Ahmed introduce his mutual dropship company and show you why they're like a great option for dropshipping if you're into dropshipping. Ahmed, happy to have you on our live, brother.
Thank you, Yusuf, Yasser, everyone. So shall we talk in Arabic or we keep English?
Probably Chinese, the best, bro.
Yeah, I could do.
Okay, let's do English first because there's like international people watching, and then we'll do like a quick Arabic one for our Arabic people.
Okay, thank you guys for the big integration. It is our honor to have Light Funnel with Mutual Dropship. We've been working so hard day and night to finish the integration, and alhamdulillah, it's finally done. So
Likewise, we're so happy like to have you on and have you like an official partner in the dropshipping field.
thank you. It's our pleasure, Yusuf and Yasser. Yeah, so very quick, Mutual Dropship, we were established in 2012. Here is our team. We have big team on the ground. Very helpful team, not because of they are my team, but the ladies are helpful, available, you know. They understand totally the business, especially for the dropshippers, and they act so fast. I know that Yusuf have small experience, like couple of months, and he recommend, and we are glad. Ni hao, yes. So yeah. So what makes us little bit different? We provide, you know, the fast shipping. We do our best every time to provide the competitive prices, and we post like winning products every single day. As you know, guys, we stay in China, and we know the pain of the dropshippers that every day they need to have like what's new, what's in the market, what is the winning product, what's the product they are selling. So we try to post every day. We post in all social media, so people who know us, work with us, they know that we do this. And what we do, that we do the product inspection before we ship. So people should rest assured that their products don't have any problems, so no issues, no chargebacks, no disputes. We try to avoid all of this, and we don't do chatbots. We do one-to-one, like customer care team. So you can contact them by WhatsApp, by Skype, and by Telegram. And we offer like 30 days storage fee in USA and in China, because we have warehouses here and there. And one of the things that all dropshippers is looking for is to do the customization, the branding, you know, and we are very specialized on this. And also, very soon, we already provide this, but very soon we are upgrading our service to do the videos and photos. So you will have your own content. So you don't need to get any photos like from AliExpress or Alibaba. You can contact the team. It will be like small extra fees, but at least you will have your own photos and videos. And finally, yes, we have the greatest after sales service. I'm sure the company have me, and which is the main.
Ahmad,
Yeah.
Ahmad is a rock star, guys. You can call him 5 in the morning and be like, Ahmad, there's a problem, and he will jump online and just solve it himself. He's like a big rock star. So,
Thank you. Thank you.
yeah, I'm so excited like
Yeah.
to get you on board with Light Funnels, Ahmad. Honestly.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, so Yusuf already used the Mutual for a few weeks, and he's pretty pleased with the shipping speed
With the
and the quality of the
service,
product.
shipping times, and majorly prices. You know.
Yeah.
And also,
It's great.
I didn't expect to, like, when I knew that Mutual was established in 2012, like I was like, wow, that's before anyone of us was in business.
Does
Yeah, it
mutual
was.
integration update the tracking numbers automatically? Yes, it does.
Yes.
With the Light Funnel integration, we did a full integration where you can import your product automatically, where you can the orders get synced in with Mutual, and then when there is a tracking number, it comes all the way to Light Funnels. I've been looking at Mutual, and the prices are amazing. You should stay watch to the end, because all Light Funnel users get even like better prices, and you
Yes.
know.
Yeah.
So
it doesn't stop there,
let's go
because
to the next slide.
Mutual is giving some perks to Light Funnels users.
Yes. You could go, yes, sir.
No,
Yeah,
it's
so,
you, Ahmad. You're the
for you,
rock
it's
star.
a special
Okay,
offer that you're
so-
offering to Light Funnels
Yeah,
users.
so for just to make Light Funnel users be more like special, so we offer like each one who will integrate the on the app will get 25 USD direct to his account, so he could use it maybe to test the product, because you know people is not like easy to change. So we want to encourage them to come and try the service, and so it will be like totally for free. If you use this 25, if you have some orders, you can cut this money. It will be in your account. You could use it. First 10 people who if you are not subscriber in Light Funnel and you subscribe today, so first 10 people will get 1 month for free. And after we get the data from who subscribe and who can integrate on our system, we will do a raffle draw. It will be also with Yasser and Yusuf live, or we could decide the day. And actually, I write one, but as I see many of our friends here, I will offer for 2 Yusuf and Yasser, not one. 2 people will get Light Funnel subscribe for 1 year for free.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah. So this is a special offer only for people who do Light Funnel, not for other people.
Ahmed, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
Like, do you promise better prices than anybody else?
Yes.
So it's like 100%.
Yes.
You can check it out right now.
I'm sure
guys.
some will be like no, because you still like maintain a great shipping times and service. But personally speaking, I've experienced like better pricing with Ahmed than any other service, honestly. So I'm talking from my experience.
And
And
guys,
there was
please, if
Yeah, go
What is
ahead.
the shipping time to USA? Like really quick.
yes, and guys, please, everyone is listening to me. Sometimes maybe you see, there is a little bit, no, the price is a little bit expensive. Please talk with the team. I every time says, if you see something good, talk about us. If you see something bad, talk to us. So if you feel like, this is not the price exactly what I need, I want better price, I'm scaling, you can talk with the team. They can try to get you even better prices. So let's keep not like what, okay, I'm get the price today, no, this is not okay, so price. No, you cannot compare one price with all the, like, now we have more than 3,000 product. So please just communicate with the team, and believe me, I have a great team who can communicate and get you the best price.
This actually happened with Yusuf once. Like we found that a product was not a lot cheaper, but there was a little difference between you and AliExpress, and you went ahead and twisted the arm of the team where you dropped the price lower than that.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah, it happened, like, honestly. Guys, whoever is trying to install the app, just give us like a day or two, because we're still like finalizing everything. We did a big push today, so a lot of things were messed up, because you're gonna see why in a bit. But
And that's why you should stay till the end, by the way.
yeah, you should stay to the end. So it's okay. Like, give us a day or two, and we're gonna send you emails and post in the group about every feature is gonna be launched. One thing we forgot to show, yes, sir. I just remembered. Ahmed, stay with us, please, brother. Is
Okay.
that multiple currencies on the dashboard? How it looks?
Yeah, for sure. Let me do that. One moment.
You want me to share my screen?
No need. I got this one.
Okay. Abu Hamid, you have the mutual dropship T-shirt on? No.
No, it's the color only.
Oh, okay.
So when you choose, when you have multiple currencies, I got multiple currencies. So when you start setting different currencies in different funnels, those currencies will start showing in this dropdown on your homepage. So you can check the ones that you want, and you can see your actual analytics on your dashboard using the currency that you want. So you just select the currency that you want in here, and all the values that are going to change. The symbols right now, you can see that they're still not updated, but they will be fixed. But the idea is that you just switch the currency from here, and whatever currency you wanna you wanna watch, you're gonna see all of your stats converted in here. With
يعني اللي بيكون بيستعمل الريال بيكون يستعمل الدرهم كله بيكون هون موجودين، وبتقدروا انه تدخلوا على كل واحده من التابز وتشوفوا الستاتس تبعتكم، فهيك انتم صار في عندكم كله باكونت واحد. Okay.
Yes.
Going back to Abu Hamid. Abu Hamid, there's one question before we move on. I think something with if the product إذا المنتج مش موجود بالمنصة, if the product isn't on the platform, can you source it? And
Sure. Sure.
so yeah, this is what happens with me. Like most of the products I sell are not on the platform. I just communicate with the team, and they provide it. Like I give them a day or two, and they buy it from China, mainly from the factory for great prices, and they start shipping. اللي اذا ما كانش المنتج موجود يعني بكل بساطه ممكن تحكوا لهم وهم بيضيفوه على البلاتفورم تبعهم. هم بتقدر انه ما يضيفوا على البلاتفورم, بس انه بيجيبوا لكم اياه وبيوم يومين اعطوهم اياه وبكله بيكون زي الفل.
Yes.
Okay. Regarding the application, guys, on live funnels, as I said, give us a day or two, and it will be sorted out if you have any issues or problems installing. Shipping times to Europe. I ship to Europe, and it takes about 10 days, 15 like at most. I haven't had any product or order that took more than 15, 16 days. So that's like the max. Ahmad, how many offices you have in China? Just like to give a
5.
general. Five offices. Okay.
And one will be, this is a big news for people who sell shoes. You know, we are getting one warehouse on the biggest city for the shoes in China. So the process of preparing the shoes orders will be more fast than any other product.
Ahmad, it's always a pleasure like having business with you. It's been a pleasure having you on our live tonight.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
You can stay like if we have questions at the end, you can stay if you want.
Yes.
And we'll move on to the next big integration, guys.
Yeah.
See you, Abu Hamid. For this integration, like it's more for the COD people. هاي integration أكتر للcash on delivery. الشباب تبعون الcash on delivery. إشي كبير. It's something big, and for everybody that is doing cash on delivery, this new great thing is called GotFlow. And for this one, we'll have like the founder like to introduce GotFlow. Hamouz, are you here? Hamouz is here. Hamouz, like guys, is the celebrity. I think we don't hear you, Hamouz. So there's something with your mic.
What about now?
Yeah.
Is it working?
Guys, Hamza is like the celebrity of COD, cash on delivery, in GCC, in Gulf. He does the sourcing, the shipping, the deliveries, the call center, anything that you want. Like if you want to start selling in the GCC, in Saudi Arabia, Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, all of those countries, Hamza is like the big shot for you. And today we're gonna like announce his great new platform for cash on delivery. And there's like a special thing for live funnel users as well. So who's better like to introduce the platform better than Hamouz? Hamza, the mic is yours.
Of course, Habibi. Thank you for hosting me in this beautiful event. And hello, Yasser. Hello, Yusuf. So Yusuf is introducing GotFlow is the new integration. We haven't launched public the app, and the first soft launching is gonna be with light funnels. We were in a beta testing for like 6 months before the soft launching. The app. Let me introduce myself first. Hamza Azmi. I'm the CEO and the founder of Lofty Service. It's a service e-commerce with the sourcing, shipping, and warehousing, order management, and call center in all GCC countries. So, and this new app is separately is another project that works separately than Lofty Service. This new app automates all the COD businesses. It has integration with shipping companies. If any of you guys working with any shipping company, separately, independently in GCC countries, we have full integration with that. We have a call center management inside the app. If any of you guys want to have his own,
can
call
you share
center
your screen,
instead of-
Hamza, and show
Yes,
them like
of course, of course.
It's probably like the best solution.
Yes, perfect.
To whoever was using اللي كان
Perfect.
بيستخدم ايزي كود, this is like a similar app, خلينا نحكي نفس الاب تقريبا, ولكن فيها اشياء متطوره اكثر لانه الاب جديده, and it has like a marketplace. So this is
Yes,
one of the like the biggest.
we're gonna go through all the features inside the app. So this is the sign up page in the app, but I'm gonna try to go to a subscription that's already signed in, and go back and share screen again. So take it faster.
ان شاء الله عربي. بنحاول كثير نحكي عربي, بس في كثير ناس معنا كمان بيحكوش عربي, يعني لذلك لازم نضلنا انترناشونال يا
Yeah.
جماعه الخير. اسمحوا لنا واعذرونا شويه.
So do you see my screen, right?
No.
Now yes,
Now,
it was
yes.
disabled. Yeah.
No, yes. What about now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good.
See it?
It's all good, Hamza.
Okay, perfect. So this is the app dashboard. If you see here, this is just a test account. So this is the app dashboard. Here you can see your leads, how many leads per day, or per month, or per year, or any advanced search that you may wanna do here. You can see your confirmed order, your processed, your average cost per lead, confirmed, delivered, your ad spent, your delivered orders, anything related to cash on delivery, including and not limited to delivered stock value, left stock value. So there is a lot of challenges managing COD business. Whatever, if you are working alone, or where you're working with a business, or you are working in multiple countries, that you have to be go to this dashboard with this company, go to here with this company, manage order in that store. So what we did is we regrouped with everything, all integrations related to cash on delivery in just one app. So here is the order management, where you can see all your orders. But before we see orders, we need to have integrations. So the first integration, you can link either your Excel sheet, your Google sheet, Light Funnels. If any of you working with a different app, he can integrate via API or other applications also.
يا جماعه
So once integrated.
السوفت وير هذا, خلينا احكي بسرعه,
ايوه
انه بعطيكم القدره انكم تسووا مانجمنت للكاش اون ديليفري بزنس تبعكم. يعني بتربطوا هان السورس تبعكم, اذا الليدز تبعونكم جايين من الشيتس او من لايت فانلز او من اي واحده من البلاتفورمز هدول, وبعدين كل الاوردرز بصير يجوا هان. اذا عندكم كول سنتر بدكم توزعوا للكول سنتر تبعكم, بدكم تسووا مع الشيبينج كومبانيز, كله مربوط مع هذا البلاتفورم. فهذا الاشي انه بيسهل عليكم. بالاضافه راح يكون كمان ماركت بليس, بس هذا مش الفكره تاعته انه هو ماركت بليس, ولكن هذا واحده من الفيتشرز الكبار الجايين عليه. ماركت بليس راح تكون كبيره, اللي فيها افيلييت, اللي فيها ماركت بليس. اذا انتم عندكم كمان برودكتس ممكن انتم تحطوها وتبيعوها, راح يكون اشياء عن جد ممتازه في هذا البلاتفورم.
صح. انا راح افرجيهم الماركت بليس. اتس اوريدي يعني اونلاين تو. We don't have the listing of products. We can make it public for Light Funnels users as well.
Perfect.
So once you integrate your Google, once you integrate your source channel, you can see all your order management here. You can manage your inventory. For the inventory, that's the first thing you want to do, is to add your products. For example, if you're gonna, the most of people now work as a sellers in GCC with multiple service providers. So you want to go and add your product first. You can add your image, you can add the product name and all the data. You add the note for a call center. Either you are working with a service provider, shipping company, or your call center. You can add this data here. Here is the export credential is when you have already a shipping company integration. You can just select it here for this product. For example, you have 10 products. You want to ship 2 products with the company X. You want to ship 1 product with another company. You can choose it right here. Also for the call center, it's because the call center is not integration in this account yet because it doesn't have any partnership. But once you go in, you can see our public partners and you can integrate them. And if you have already one of them, either it's integrated, you can already go on and push it to your subscription. If you have a specific one that you want for us to integrate it for you, we can do that easily.
Perfect. Hamouz, can you show them the
Also,
marketplace?
yes.
'Cause, a lot of
Also,
people will be excited to see this as well.
yeah. So for the marketplace, for example, let's see. The marketplace will start from here. Let's
Let's
say
see
you
the
have
marketplace, and let's tell them about the offer before we move on.
sure. So of course, any integration you wanna be.
So this is when you want to sell something, right? You have stock and you want to sell.
Yes.
شباب
Yes.
هذا حلو لما يكون مثلا انتم جبتوا ستوك،
Either
اذا جبتوا ستوك للسعوديه مثلا وما انباع معكم، بينفع تيجوا تحطوه هون وتشوفوا ناس تانيين ممكن يجوا يشتروا منكم. Like this is like a really
Yeah.
good thing. هذا واحدة من الاشياء
So
اللي راح
any
يقدموها.
that's true. If you are already a seller in that country and you have a stock and you want to sell this stock to other sellers, imagine, for example, this is my stock. This is not exported to any provider because I don't have it integrated here.
Mhm.
But I can go here. I have an inventory, for example. I can go and make an offer in the marketplace or in the affiliate. So in the marketplace, I can just put a title on to the product. For example, X, the available quantity that I want to sell, which country this product exists, the unit price that I want to sell, and the description. You can put here a link to a page. You can put here a video or any text description here. You can submit once your product is reviewed by our team, because we want to make sure that good products are listed there with good images and good quality of description and all of that. So once it's accepted, it's go live directly to all the
The
members.
members, yeah.
And yes, all the members. If you go here to the marketplace, you can see here the explore. You can see all the products that are already in the platform. Here we don't have it to the light funnel access, but we're gonna give you access, guys, to it. Also, you can see the my listing. My listing is the product that you listed, and in my listing, you see the product, and here you have orders. In the orders, in the marketplace, we worked on it. It's like a mini Alibaba. So seller and buyer can connect with each other in a chat, and you can, without seeing each other's name, but you can communicate, pay through the platform, and or the seller gets his money once the product is delivered to you. So the platform secure all the transaction and make sure you received your products, and also we made the payment secure also for sellers in order to prevent any.
Hamza, can you
So
tell
for the
them about the offer? Because Iyad is right. Like it needs a big video, like to explain, like because there's a lot of
yeah,
things.
that's true, because
Yeah.
yeah,
So
that's
there's
true. So
an
for
offer for live
so
funnel
for the
users.
offer,
We asked
yes.
Hamza for something, and he was it was great, like to give us an offer for the users, like exclusively. So Hamza, what is like the offer for live funnels?
So the offer for light funnels is gonna be free up to 400 orders lifetime. For example, you can do 100 orders this month, another 100 next month, etc. And after that, if you want to upgrade to another offer, you can upgrade. And also we have another free plan for you guys. Is the we're gonna launch the affiliate. It's gonna be a publisher's dashboard access, an advertiser dashboard access, and that's gonna be also free lifetime for LiveFunnel users. For management and stores, shipping, companies, and all of that. And if you want to have your call center also in the app, because the app allow you also to connect your phone number and
Amazing.
add it to your team, so they can do a call through the app. Just click to call without working with anyone. If you want to work just independently with your phone numbers, and you just pay per minute, depend on the country of destination. And all of that it's gonna be for you guys free up to 400 orders.
One question that is frequent in the chat is the release date. When do you plan to release Gutflow publicly?
Oh, so the soft release is gonna be today. LightFunnel users can go enjoy the app, go in, connect their LightFunnel account.
So we can share
and
the
all of
link. I
that.
think Hamza, can you share it in the chat?
Yes, of
There's
course. I
like a
can share
link.
the
If you
link.
go publicly, you can't like access. But if you go through this link,
Yes.
you can. You
Yep.
can go ahead, connect it with
So,
LiveFunnels, and you will see that the orders are coming all the way there. هذا اللينك
So
جماعه
I
الخير
shared
اذا
the
بدكم
link.
هلا تدخلوا عليه ممكن تسووا اكونت. كل اليوزرز تبعون لايت فانلز بياخذوا 400 اوردر فور فري مجاني. و لقدام راح يدخلوا عليها الافيليت، راح يكون في كتير برودكتس انكم تبيعوهم، تنقوهم وتبيعوهم. اذا انتم عندكم كمان ستوك ممكن تحطوه، وراح تشوفوا حدا غيركم حاطط ستوك، فممكن الاشياء يكون في اشياء اسهل بسهل عليكم انه مش كل شيء انه تجيبوه
صح.
من الصين، فممكن انه تلاقوا اشياء اوريدي موجوده في الدوله اللي انتم بدكم تبيعوها فيها. كثير المنصه ممتازه، حتى لما يكون في عندكم كول سنتر انتم جواني بدكم ترتبوا عمليه الليدز وكيف بدكم تسووها، فكلكم بنصحكم انكم تروحوا على اللينك. بدي اسوي لكم شير على اللينك هلا.
هو ممكن
shared it.
يعني
No, I think
راح
this is internal.
راح يكون كتير.
ياسر. اوكي.
يا
ادخلوا سووا اكونت وبتقدروا تربطوهم مع لايت فانلز لايك دايركتلي، وراح تشوفوا انه كل شيء زي الفل. حمزه بنحبك دائما. انت واحد من الاعلام والصحبه القديمه عندي انا بالسي او دي برو، واللي ما جرب يشتغل بالكاش اون ديليفري مع حمزه ولافتي سيرفيس بنصحكم فيها من قلبي، لانه انا من اول ما بديت وانا شغال مع حمزه في الكاش اون ديليفري، مع الدليفري ريت ممتاز، كونفirmation ريت ممتاز، فالشيء شخصي برضو انا. حموز
ربنا يخليك حبيبي.
شكرا كثير انك معنا حبيبي، نورت لايف. Thank you very
مرحبا
much.
حبيبي، وانتم كمان.
وشكرا كثير.
You're
Thanks a lot
welcome.
for the free plan for the LiveFunnel users.
Of course, I know people is gonna have a lot of questions because the app
Yeah.
have a lot of
I
features
know.
right there,
There's a
and
lot of features.
I can be if you need anything, guys, you can hit me up either on
حبيبي حموز.
Instagram or in the group, and I'm gonna be.
Thanks a lot brother.
See you guys. Thank you so
See
much.
you. سلمنا على دبي.
Bye bye.
هيو احمد بدبي روح شوفه.
Of course.
يلا حبيبي هلا بربطكم مع بعض. I'm gonna hook you up guys together. I know you might have something like to work. Okay.
Of course.
Okay, see you حبايبي.
See you. Bye.
All right, let's
Okay.
get back to our slides.
Oh
and
wow! Like, it's about time, yes sir.
yeah, it's that time.
Yeah.
All right, let me
So
get
we're
back.
gonna show like the biggest
the
thing we've been
slides.
working on.
Yeah, this is literally the biggest feature release since we released LightFunnels. Like, it's not even exaggerated.
It's we could call it LiveFunnels 2.0, but we don't like the numbers, so
It's too hype.
I think we're ready.
All right, so
Ta-da!
the biggest feature release since LightFunnels, and that is
يلا بسم الله.
LightFunnels
stores.
So now you can create stores inside of LightFunnels. We know that since we've launched back in 2021, the most requested features or the most frequent question was, how do I create a store in LightFunnels? And our answer has always been, it's not a store solution. It is a funnels solution. You create funnels to scale your products because they are powerful. and we didn't want to be in the store business because the store business is already saturated. It already has good solutions. But what we do now is we combine the power of funnels with the actual stores, real stores that you can create inside of Light Funnels. So let me show you how this works.
And there's like a killer feature that we're gonna release. Whenever like you have a store, you're working. Let's say you're working on a store, and one product started selling perfectly, and you want to scale that product. So we've done something that product you can link it. You can create a funnel from that product, and you don't have like to change anything in the URL. It will start redirecting to your funnel like automatically without doing anything. So this is like a big thing. So you can start with a general page, a quick page, and whenever something takes off, you can just like do the funnel thing, a great funnel for that product, and just like hit it up and do whatever you want.
The chat is really funny. You have to check it out. So
Loading speed. I wonder why people are asking about loading speed, because I think Light Funnels is like the quickest platform in the internet. Like our speed is so quick, and this is like one of the features that we always like boast of. So yeah, let's watch how the stores work, because this is a perfectly masterpiece.
All right, so this is the dashboard that you're already familiar with. You will notice that you now have a new tab called Stores. Okay, so inside of the same account, you can create one store or you can create multiple stores. It's up to you. So again, back to like the fact that you don't need to create multiple accounts anymore of Light Funnels. You can use any currency with any funnel, and actually with any store as well. And you can create multiple stores inside of the same account. So in one Light Funnels account, you can be as elaborate as you want. All right, so you can see that we already have a store here. We have a preview of the store right here, and we can open it with some.
Let's try the new store, just like quick to show them how it works inside.
Yeah.
Let's
so
say,
So when you create a new store, you get to choose the template that you want. So
you'll have templates made for your stores, like, because the funnel one no more works for the store purpose. So you will have like store templates for the stores.
Yep. All right, so in here, you get to choose how do you want the checkout to work inside of your store. The checkout is still fully customizable, but you can also choose whether you want the checkout to be separate on its own page or to be on the same page. This is when it's on the same page, it's usually used for cash on delivery, where you just want the customer to enter their details and they move on. You don't want to have a separate page for it. So you have the choice here to set that up. And next, you can choose the currency that you want to use. Say, for example, I want to use United States dollar. And let's call it demo store, for example. So that's how you create a store. And once you access your store, you can see that you have some stats here and some tabs to set up your store. Go ahead, Yusuf. You were going to say something.
Let's go back to that one, the other stores that we have.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So yeah, I can see that Naufal is on the same account creating a test, making sure everything. All right, so we got a store here called Marwan Test that we're gonna open here. Yep. And you can see that we have the analytics of this store. We can connect a domain, and we have plenty of settings that we can set for this store, like isolated settings that are only applied to this store. So let's go to products and see how this works. Inside of products, you have the option to add a product, So the stores work with the products you already have on your account. So you don't have to create products every time you want to add a product to the store. Maybe you already have the product on your account. So you just click add and you choose the product that you want in here. All right. So another way to add products to your store is through collections. Okay. So
we have collections now.
Yeah, under products, you will see that you have collections, and you can come here and just select the collection that you want to add to your store, and that collection will be added as well as all the products that are inside of it. All right. So here's the fun part. inside of here, you have the, again, as I said, we're building a store solution, but we're also keeping the power of funnels applied to the store, where this is very different from the classic store solutions like Shopify, where you don't have any upsells or downsells, etc. So you can still create upsells and downsells for your product right inside of the store. So let's see how this works. Say, for example, this product right here, I want people to be upsold another product whenever they buy this product. So, for example, this portable jewelry box, when they buy it, I want them to also have an upsell of another product. So I just clicked here, add upsell. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So you click this and you choose the product that you want to upsell for those people. So now this product, actually I clicked the wrong product. So this product will have this upsell added to it. All right. So what I can do now is also add a downsell. For example, if they don't want to take the upsell, I can downsell them another product. So this allows me to, again, increase the average order value of my orders by offering more products that are related to the front end product that the customer has already bought. In here we have the edit button that will open a preview of my product and the funnel that I have set up for it so far. So here's what happens. People will buy this product, they will go through checkout, and then they will be upsold this product. Okay. If they don't accept this product, they will be downsell. There will be this downsell right here, and if they accept it, they will be charged for it, and they will go to the thank you page. And I also have the option. What's great about this is you also have the option to add multiple upsells. You just add another product like this, and you keep going. All right. So that's how this works. Here's another example with another product. So they buy this product, and then they get this upsell. If they don't accept this one, there will be this downsell, and so on. So this makes it really simple to hook upsells to your products inside of the store without having to create funnels for each product. Now, then when your product starts selling well and you're profitable and you want to scale, you can switch this product to a classic funnel where you have more flexibility to be more creative with it. You have access to the classic funnel builder with all its power, etc.
Yeah.
All right. So we also have the settings. So inside of the settings, you have like some general settings like the store name and stuff. You also have the shipping zones. These are the shipping zones from your account settings. So you get to choose which shipping zones you want to use inside of your store. You also have the currency. So you can choose any currency, the currency that you want to actually charge the customer with, not just the currency converter. We will also have the currency converter here as well.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Yusuf.
And now you can change it. The user can change it themselves. Like they don't need to contact LightFunnels.
Yeah. This was always through our support, where you would have to contact us to change the currency. So you just set your currency here and you're good to go.
Oh, and by the way, like the stores have a default domain if you don't want to connect a domain. So it comes with a domain. Yeah, this is it's going to be a subdomain of our lightfunnels.store. So this is going to be like the default if you don't want to connect a domain, but we always recommend connecting a domain. And whoever asked if you can connect a domain per store, so definitely that's the case. Like every store can have a separate domain. If you go to the domains tab, yes, sir?
Yeah. So inside of the domains, you have a list of your account's domains. So you can choose from here to use one of these domains inside of your store. For example, let's use this domain, for example. And this domain will now be used for this store. You can see that it was updated here. And this is now the domain for this store. And you can connect new domains, of course. All right. So you get to...
We can show you like the storefront, but I think it's not ready yet. So...
yeah, we're going to come to that in a second. So yeah, you get to choose. Now you can switch the store template. Like when you create a store and you want to switch the template, you just come here and choose another template that you want to switch to. It's that easy, really. And okay, so payment gateways is very similar to what you're already familiar with in funnels. You get to choose what payment gateways you want to use, and then the tracking for different advertising channels. Yeah, so for the storefront, don't know if you can see my
No.
other tab here. Yeah, so the storefront looks pretty much like a store. We're still working on polishing templates for our stores, but this is what it will look like. This would be the home page, and you have a collection page, a product page, a thank you page, and everything is customizable. The cart as well. Everything is customizable inside of your admin panel. So let me make sure it's the right
show
tab.
them the customized template.
Yep. So in here, you get to customize your template. So these are all the pages of your store, and you can come here and just like you're used to do inside of the funnel builder for your funnels, you can come here and edit your pages inside of your store. Okay, so you have a collection page. So this collection page will be using the collection that was clicked. So for example, your home page will have a list of collections, for example, here. And once you click this collection, it would take you to the collection page, this one, where you can edit how the collection looks. The same for the product. Product will be filled with the product that was clicked. So you no longer have to select the product up here. The page will be populated with the product that was clicked in the previous page, just like a regular store would behave, okay? So you have the upsell and downsell page. You can edit those, and you have your thank you page and checkout as well. Yeah, so that's how stores work. I think we've talked about everything.
It's a dynamic collection page, yeah.
What's that?
NSA's dynamic collection page. So yes.
Yeah. So yeah, that's how stores work. We hope you're excited for this new feature, because it's gonna help you save a lot of money on store builders, and it's gonna allow you to deploy a pretty powerful store where you can upsell your customers multiple products. And we're still adding new templates to this very soon. So stores are not yet live. They should be live in 1 or 2 weeks, but they're pretty much done. We're just making sure everything runs smoothly so that your storefront never goes down.
Wow, that was an awesome update, guys. I want to thank the great A team, like the development team, and all the support guys for all the hard work that has been that they've been pushing like the last couple of weeks, specifically. So yeah, shout out to you guys. Going to the next, let's go to the next slide.
Yep. So the next slide is about the plans. So how this will be will affect your plans. So the stores will be available by default to all plans. The newbie plan will have 1 store, and the standard plan will have 3 stores, with the option to add additional stores for a monthly fee. But that's totally optional. You already have stores inside of your current plan.
LTD guys, I know you've been you're also wondering if you will have this feature or not, but actually, like, this feature is a really heavy feature for our resources, but we still decided to give you a 1 store per account for the LTD users, because you've been there with us like since the start, and we don't want to let you down, guys. So we still made this possible for you. Honestly, it's both, like the stores and the multi-currency takes a lot of resources from us, but we still decided like to keep it available for you guys. So I know you've been wondering regarding the tax feature, Robert. It is coming. Like as you can see, like we've been so busy, like pushing a lot of stuff. We haven't been sleeping like the past 3 months, like doing this. So believe me, once we've done with all these big changes that we've been applying to the platform, we start taking care of these things, like I promise you.
Yeah, here's a good question. Can every store have separate apps? Actually, we are in the process of updating all the apps to work with the store update. So
Yeah.
every app, inside of every app, you will have the option to choose which actions will be taken on which funnels and which actions will be taken on which stores. So just
Even
like we select
confirmation,
funnels,
even confirmation emails and cart abandoned emails.
yeah, just like you choose the funnels you want to work with inside the app, you will be able to choose the stores as well.
Yeah. So everything is going to be, finalized to work with stores as well. So we have like a big announcement for cash on delivery people. cash on delivery يا جماعة الكاش on delivery في هدي لكم السلايد الجاي. عملنا لكم price drop. There is a price drop for cash on delivery people. Newbie plan is going to be 20 cents instead of 25, and standard plan is going to be 10 cents instead of 15. So I hope this really helps you guys. I know that you've been you have like a lot of people that don't complete the order with the delivery rate and stuff, so I hope this could help you. So yeah, and now especially like with the multi-currency, instead of creating million accounts, you can create one account for $9 and enjoy selling to every country you want to sell in. So this could be like a big advantage for you.
All right, so I think that's a wrap. We are reaching the end of the presentation. If you have any questions, guys, I'm gonna bring up Ahmed, who's still with us. If you guys have a question about mutual dropship.
Okay, let me see some of the questions that we have here. Where is it? This is actually a good feedback about the reviews, and this is one of the issues that we're gonna solve like very soon with all the reviews and per store and stuff. So yeah. Free live funnels and Shopify. What is the additional benefits? Does live funnel provide the Shopify? Yasser, you wanna answer this? Okay, let me just like talk about this from my perspective. I will leave like everything regarding. Let's start with the price. Our price is so much better in comparison to Shopify, because in Shopify you need to install a lot of apps that you get charged for, in addition to the $29 a month. So like, first of all, second, like every app you install, it hits your store speed, and this definitely like hits your ads, because the faster the page is, the better like your ads are performing. This is like the second thing. The third and the most important thing for me, like personally, because I sell in Europe and Netherlands, Belgium, etc. Like, in order to sell in these countries, if you're on Shopify, you need a Shopify payment account, and you can't obtain this if you live outside of the UK or the US. So you need to live there, like to have this to enable ideal bank contact, all those payment gateways. But with live funnels, you can just connect your Stripe account and you can start enjoying these payment gateways and sell in these countries that you couldn't sell before. So this is like the major 3 points to me. In addition, like with live funnels, you can create one-click upsells on the go. So you would have like a much bigger AOV on your order. You can add also order bumps. You can add bundles. All this comes out of the box. You don't have like to install any app or pay any additional thing to Shopify or to any app owner on Shopify store, like to enjoy these features. So there's like a lot of things that is available on live funnels and not available on Shopify. And we still like adding a feature every day. We always like listening to our customers and the feedback we get from them and always adding them. So this is like in general. I need
Okay.
invitation
There is
code.
3 questions for us, Yusuf.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one question from Nabil, I guess, that did we offer any papers for Stripe or documents? Yes, Nabil, if you are working with us. If you are not working with us, unfortunately, we can provide any documents. I think Adrian was asking, is Mutual Dropship a subscription? Yes, it's a subscription, but it's totally free.
What does it mean, Ahmed? A subscription that is totally free? Why is it
Yeah,
a subscription if it's free?
No, I mean you can just subscribe on the app.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
yeah,
Okay.
but it's
Yeah.
totally free. Yeah,
Yeah. There's not. Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
yeah, nothing to pay. You just pay once you have orders. And there was another question. I do the photo, but unfortunately I cannot find it.
Invitation code for Mutual.
Invitation code for Mutual. I think I think it's better like to share this in the group because in the group and the emails because you'll have everything like written and you can like do this. We'll launch this and we send you guys the minute we fix the app and make sure that everything is working with our latest updates that we've done today.
Yep.
Is there fast shipping? Definitely yes.
Yes.
How do you
Yeah.
handle returns, Ahmed?
Good question.
What?
How do you handle returns?
There is no returns. Because once you ship to for example to USA or to Canada or any country, and your customer don't like the product, so we prefer not to return the product because he need to return it to China, so the dropshipper will cost him a lot. So better he keep the product with the customer or ask him just to keep it, and we can refund him or reship for him. Better not to return.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
When do we get to change the sale notification sound? Wow, I like it.
What?
No, this is an application, live funnel application question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Storing. Okay, Rover. It means like if you buy stock in China, we will not charge you for 30 days. So if maybe you contact my team and you tell, okay, now it's the time to buy some bulk, 100, 200, 300 pieces. So we'll give you 30 days free storage. After the 30 days, the team can ask you, and it is like not a big amount of money. So first 30 days is for free.
Okay, I think we have like to finish. I'm sure we'll have Ahmed with us like on a special live about drop shipping because I'm gonna drop a lot of content on drop shipping for both like the English audience and the Arabic audience. راح ان شاء الله اسوي لكم كثير فيديوهات على الدروب شيبينج بالايام الجاي او بالاشهر الجاي. كل هاي السنه راح اكون معكم، راح نركز كثير على الدروب شيبينج، راح اعلمكم جوجل شوبينج، جوجل ادز، وكل الاشياء اللي بنستعملها احنا هلا اللي بنسويها بالدروب شيبينج اللي ناجحه باذن الله تعالى. I'm going to drop a lot of content about drop shipping this year. I'm going to teach you how to use Google Shopping and all of this. There's some issues with our Google Shopping app. It's working perfectly, but we have like to add some of the options that makes it like easier to work with Google. So yeah, this is going to be like a main focus in the coming weeks, inshallah. And yeah, we're gonna keep like throwing new features, new stuff, new content, because this year so far we've been doing great. We are so grateful to have like great users like you guys. We've been seeing great numbers, mashallah. and we're here like like to scale this to the moon with the partnerships that we're making with all the great team members, hard work, etc. So please answer me. I'm gonna answer Ahmad because he asked a million times, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Which is more preferable, COD GCC or COD Europe? It depends what you want to do. COD GCC, like there's a lot of competition, but people still making a lot of money. And COD Europe, I guess you mean Spain or Portugal. Still there's a lot of money there. It's less competitive probably because there's less shipping companies or service companies doing business there, but it could be like a bit harder for you. So you might start with a GCC and then move there, but it's totally up to you. Like if you have some budget, you need to start working. Thank you guys for attending. Thank you guys for
Yeah,
staying.
if there are any questions we haven't answered, please feel free to post on inside the group.
Yeah,
We're gonna answer them as soon as we can.
and hopefully we'll be with you in the group like as usual. We have like a great community. You can ask whatever and you get questions and questions answered in a minute. So again, thanks a lot for attending. Ahmad, thanks a lot again. Thanks a
Thank
lot
you,
for
guys.
Hamouz. Hamouz has left us, I think. So ان شاء الله بنتقابل بفيديوهات جايين حبايب القلب. خليكم معي ان شاء الله بعلمكم دروب شيبينج اكثر هاي السنه. هذيك السنه شوي ركزنا على الكاش اون ديليفري. هاي السنه بدي اركز معكم شوي على الدروب شيبينج، ادخلكم بجوجل شوبينج وكل هاي الامور. طبعا مع احمد معنا هلا ان شاء الله بيكون عندنا الوضع احسن كمان بالدروب شيبينج. عندنا جود بارتنر انه نعتمد عليه في القصص هاي، وان شاء الله بيكون كله زي الفل. Thank you again guys and see you in the next updates.
See you soon.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.